Welcome, here I've got Alcatel 3X 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and let's just go to the left to more, so we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this button from the left and here we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place we have the photo size, so when we pick this we can manage the quality of the picture with the aspect ratio. So as you can see we have 4:3 ratio with 16 megapixels quality and also with 8 megapixels quality. We have 12 megapixels with 1:1 aspect ratio and also 12 megapixels with 16:9. And we can also pick 9 megapixels with the full screen aspect ratio, so this is how to manage this. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.